If you're looking for cozy fall comfort food that still supports your goals, here are 5 high-protein recipes that are warm, satisfying, and easy to make. First up, creamy pumpkin pasta. Start by roasting diced butternut squash, carrots, onion, and garlic at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 40 minutes. Once they're golden and soft, add them to a bowl with pumpkin puree, cottage cheese, milk, stock, lemon juice, nutritional yeast, and blend everything until smooth. Add your seasonings and give it a quick stir to bring everything together. Then I'm taking some cooked protein pasta, adding our sauce, and tossing that all together until warmed through. I also pulsed walnuts with nutritional yeast, then sprinkled that over the top for a crunchy garnish. Then top that with dried sage and some Parmesan cheese. Next up, these sweet and satisfying cinnamon roll pancakes. Start by combining applesauce, avocado oil, monk fruit sweetener, brown sugar, and cinnamon, then set that aside. Whisk together blended cottage cheese, just egg, milk, and vanilla extract until smooth. Add oat flour and baking powder, then mix just until combined. Scoop some batter into a pan over medium-low heat, then pipe your cinnamon sugar mixture on top. And the key here is to cover with a lid and let it steam through without flipping. I stacked them up and finished with a glaze that I made from Greek yogurt, maple syrup, vanilla extract, and monk fruit sweetener. For our third recipe, the viral dumpling bake. In a baking dish, whisk together Fairlife milk, coconut milk, Greek yogurt, red curry paste, soy sauce, garlic, ginger, rice vinegar, and sesame oil. Add your frozen dumplings, making sure that they're all covered in sauce, then bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit until hot and bubbling. Finish with a drizzle of chili crisp, green onion, or sesame seeds. Next up, our one-pot chili. Start by sauteing diced onion and jalapeno until softened. Add ground chicken, then stir in your spices. Pour in tomato sauce, diced tomatoes, beans, and broth. Then let it simmer uncovered for at least 35 minutes. To finish, add some Greek yogurt for creaminess and garnish with some cheese, sliced avocado, green onions, or cilantro. And it pairs perfectly with a slice of our honey butter cornbread. Whisk together eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, milk, and honey. In a larger bowl, mix oat flour, baking powder, and salt. Pour the wet mixture into the dry, stir to combine, then bake at 375 until golden. Finish with an optional honey butter garnish, then serve warm with your bowl of chili. So whether you're in the mood for something creamy, savory, or a little sweet, these fall-inspired recipes make it easy to enjoy cozy comfort food and still hit your protein goals. Which one are you making first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Noom for more easy recipes.